How much should you actually spend on a receiver for your Klipsch reference speakers? It's tricky because some people are happy buying the cheaper ones, but others return the expensive models. Let's clear up the confusion.
Product number 1, Sony STR-DH190. Starting off with the Sony STR-DH190, priced at $248, this receiver caught my eye with its sleek design and sturdy build. If you want reliable sound quality that fits seamlessly into your home audio setup, this one's worth a serious look. This receiver shines with its 100 watts per channel output, meaning your music will sound rich and full, which is essential for Klipsch speakers that are all about clarity. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream music from your phone effortlessly, so you can kick back and enjoy your favorite tracks without being tethered to your setup. It also features a phono input, perfect for vinyl lovers looking to connect their turntables. With over 500 sold just last month, it seems many are loving it. Now, some people have complained about the lack of more advanced features like 4K pass-through. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on audio quality and don't need fancy video capabilities, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your home's audio experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want a receiver packed with the latest video tech. For the price, it definitely delivers solid value. Now, if you're after something with a bit more flexibility, the next option on our list might just fit the bill.
Product number 2, Black Horse Bluetooth 5.2 receiver. The Black Horse Bluetooth 5.2 receiver, a budget-friendly option at just $22.97. What really grabbed my attention is how it enables you to add wireless streaming to your existing stereo setup. If you're looking for an easy way to cut the cords, this is worth checking out. This device connects to your stereo using RCA or 3.5mm outputs, which means it's super simple to use. The Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.2 chipset ensures a stable connection, and the low latency feature means your music syncs perfectly with your video content, so no awkward delays. Plus, with automatic reconnection, it makes using it a breeze. It's a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to modernize their setup without spending a fortune, with over 500 units flying off the shelves recently. However, some users have noted that it doesn't support headphone connections, which might be a drawback. But honestly, if you're looking to stream music to a home theater or speakers, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep your expectations in check. This is perfect for you if you want to enjoy wireless audio without the fuss. Skip this if you absolutely need a headphone output. At this price, it offers impressive value for anyone wanting an easy upgrade. Alright, if you're in the market for something with a bit more horsepower, the next receiver I have for you is a real standout.
Product number 3, Denon AVR S670H, priced at $519. This one really caught my attention with its rich feature set geared towards home theater enthusiasts. If you want a premium cinematic experience at home, this is definitely one to consider. With support for 8K video and a 5.1 channel surround sound output at 75 watts each, you're getting not just great audio, but also fantastic video capabilities for your Klipsch speakers. The built-in HEOS technology allows for multi-room streaming, so you can enjoy your music anywhere in your home. Additionally, it supports all the latest video formats like HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, which is perfect for gamers or movie buffs. This receiver has seen significant interest, selling 200+ units recently. That said, some users have found the setup process a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in the time to get it configured, the end results are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a top-of-the-line home theater system. Skip this if you prefer a simple plug-and-play option. For its features, it offers excellent value in the higher-end market. Now, if you want something a bit more affordable without losing too much power, the next product is a solid option.
Product number 4, Pyle 5.2 channel receiver. The Pyle 5.2 channel hi-fi home theater receiver is our next pick. This one really surprised me with its robust features for the price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly receiver that still offers great power, this could be your match. This receiver boasts 1000 watts max output and supports 4K video, making it an impressive choice for both audio and video. With a 5.2 surround sound setup, it brings your movies and music to life with clarity and depth. The Bluetooth functionality allows you to stream easily from your devices, which is a must-have for today's audio setups. Plus, the built-in protections ensure your equipment stays safe from overvoltage and short circuits, which is reassuring. It sold over 200 times in the last month, showing it's popular among budget shoppers. However, some users reported that the remote control can be a bit finicky, but honestly, if you're using it primarily for home audio, you probably won't mind reaching for the buttons on the receiver itself. This is perfect for you if you want powerful sound without a hefty price tag. Skip this if you're looking for a more premium feel. It definitely delivers a lot of value for the price. Now, if you're after something compact yet powerful, our last option might just be what you need.
Product number 5, Mauke Stereo Receiver. We have the Mauke Stereo Receiver at just $55.99. This one caught my attention for its impressive power relative to its price. If you're after a compact amplifier for your Klipsch speakers, this could be a great fit. With 400 watts peak power and multiple input options, including Bluetooth, USB, and aux, this receiver gives you flexibility for various setups. The adjustable EQ controls let you fine-tune your sound to match your preferences, and the built-in FM radio is a nice touch for casual listening. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures a reliable connection, making it easy to stream your favorite tunes without hassle. It's also sold over 200 units recently, indicating it's making waves in the market. That said, some users found the sound quality not as refined as higher-end models. But here's the thing, at this price point, it's hard to complain. Just know it's more about practicality than premium audio fidelity. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, affordable amplifier for casual listening. Skip this if you're looking for audiophile-grade sound. For the cost, it offers great bang for your buck.
We've explored the Sony STR DH190 for its solid performance, the Black Horse Bluetooth receiver for its budget-friendly streaming, the Denon AVR S670H for premium home theater experiences, the Pyle receiver for powerful sound on a budget, and the Mauke for compact versatility. Each option has its own strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best. Thanks for watching.